Tips for underarm odor.
Body odor is caused by the putrefaction processes in the body when we eat animal products and refined, processed food. Opposite to popular belief, sweat doesn't cause body odor because the latter is unscented. When sweat comes in contact with bacteria, the release of chemicals causes unpleasant body odor. In this video, I'll present you some natural tips that will help you to reduce body odor. Lemon juice. Replace your deodorant with fresh lemon juice. Acidity from lemon stops the growth of bacteria. But, before applying it, make sure that the juice is not too acidic, it may burn your skin. Coconut oil. Apply extra virgin coconut oil on your armpits. It contains the lauric acid, which is a natural antibacterial. Baking soda. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water. Don't mix it with lemon juice. Apply the moistened mixture on the armpits. Rinse it regularly with water. After this, you can proceed with your shower routine. Probiotics. Take a chlorella supplement or probiotics. Chlorella eliminates body odor and also freshens breath. Probiotics support oral health. Diet. You should avoid red meat, foods lacking in fiber, and the foods with added sugars, refined white flour and hydrogenated oils. Add more plants to your menu: vegetables, sprouts, greens and fresh fruits. Herbs and the mints like parsley, licorice, rosemary, oregano, celery and cilantro are very useful for neutral body odor.
If you like the video, please subscribe. Please visit our website, homeremedies9.com.